Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best camping cots. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Coleman ComfortSmart Deluxe Camping Cot. If you're after a padded tenting cot that could offer remarkable consolation at the same time as you sleep, this ComfortSmart Deluxe tenting cot from Coleman might be the one you want. It is a folding camping cot that effortlessly units up when you're up for a restful sleep even as tenting. And in case you want to place it away for storage, it is able to fold down without difficulty and shrinks right down to fit within the car's trunk. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Purenity Stable Camping Cot. The Purenity Camping Cot is really commendable due to its strong build and easy meeting. With simply one short fold, you could have it all set for a great night's sleep. It does not require any complicated setup. You can just fold it down to place away for garage. The fabric is heavy obligation and water resistant so that you receive atmosphere approximately spills and other factors exterior. At number 3, we have the KingCamp Ultralight Compact Folding Camping Tent Cot Bed. When you move camping, you need to ensure the entirety is lightweight as much as feasible, and in case you want to present a tenting cot for your outside journey. This KingCamp will truly no longer take a lot area for your bag. It is ultralight, portable, and compact. Although it smiles extremely lightweight, it doesn't compromise the fine and ensures awesome sturdiness. The KingCamp tenting cot is made from aerial aluminum alloy rods that offer robust build and sturdy support for campers that weigh as much as 265 kilos. At number 2, we have the KingCamp Strong Stable Folding Camping Bed Cot. The next compact tenting cot on our listing is likewise another access from KingCamp. As it's miles known for their long-lasting cots for exterior, this one's actually no exception. But as what you can word, this cot is engineered with X-fashion legs and frames which are product of metallic tubes. This triangle shape provides better support and splendid excellence that can last for decades. Just like the different KingCamp cots, this one's compact, transportable, and lightweight is nicely preserving your bags light and smooth to transport while you flow locations. And finally at number 1, we have the Coleman ComfortSmart Camping Cot. Next on our list is the smaller model of the Coleman ComfortSmart Tenting Mattress. Its capabilities: the identical excellent, long-lasting fabric, and superior comfort. The handiest distinction is the weight restriction and the height of people it can accommodate. It can hold campers up to 275 pounds and may accommodate humans with a height up to 5 feet and 7 inches. You can fold it down effortlessly for camping and suit it proper to your car trunk. It is transportable and receive it takes so much space in your bags. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this camping cots, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.